Welcome back to Primetime Sports. Friday, the head of Calabar's physics department, Sanjay Shaw, this afternoon gave his version of events during which he claims he was assaulted by two prominent members of the school's track and field team. Shaw gave a press conference this afternoon at the David Fitzhenley Conference Room at Family Life Ministries. Karen Madden was there.
According to Shaw, who has been at the Red Hills Road-based school for the past 4 years, the matter unfolded on December 15 when he was hosting a physics camp for his students. According to him, the matter began because he needed to borrow sponges from the school's track team for his boys to sleep on. He claims his request was denied, even though, according to him, the track team had more than enough cots to loan him. Shaw claimed a mob of student athletes led by hurdler de jour Russell entered his physics class.
Push in, came into the lab, and while I was recording, when they came into the lab, one of the athletes in question, who at this point, one of the athletes, which is de jour Russell, slapped my hand and said, "Take the phone off of my friend." Slapped my hand, the phone fell, and while I was reaching for it, he stepped over and stepped on the phone.
He also claimed team captain Christopher Taylor assaulted him.
Christopher Taylor then proceeded to drape me up. Let me know that his tracksman run the school. And if me know good for me, just feel like to thump me in my face.
The physics teacher claimed that the school stalled attempts by him to have disciplinary action taken against Taylor and Russell. During the period, Shaw claims he continues to receive intimidation from members of the track team.
Every day I walk coming to school, man, deep sleep, shut eyes. You gotta get locked in a coffee box and your mother go cry. Be a song them I sing when me pass. Unsteady with the matic. I be a gunman there, you know, say, when I love man, brother, all different type of things them sing. And Jerry a man in time when they come. You know why? Because the school leave that grey area for them to act this way. They leave the grey area for them to act this way. So the students were acting this way because the school was indecisive.
And our reporter Karen Madden, who attended the press conference, has now joined us to expound on some of what transpired at today's event. Karen, firstly, now is this a matter for the police?
Yes, Mr. Shaw says that he officially reported a matter today. He did say that the police was called to the school and responded when the incident allegedly occurred. And today he said that he made a formal report to the Constant Spring Police, but he's not pressing any charges.
Okay. Now, our information is that some action has already been taken. What did Mr. Shaw outline in his presentation?
He gave us written evidence from the school which says that both de jour Russell and Christopher Taylor were in fact suspended between March 12 and March 19. He says that to his satisfaction, Russell served his suspension, but he's claiming that during the period of the suspension, March 12 to March 19, he saw Taylor on the school premises at training and that he did represent Calabar at the finals of the Digicel Grand Prix.
Mm. In terms of the video evidence he claimed he has and any communication between himself and the school administration?
I think it is important for us to say that while Mr. Shaw did show the media fraternity that was there evidence of that showed Taylor and de jour Russell in a mob, quote unquote, inside his physics lab, hurling, you could hear them shouting at him and so on. There was no evidence of Taylor nor Russell physically assaulting him, even though he's made those allegations.
Mm. And what has been the response from Calabar, ISA, and the parents or guardians of the athletes involved?
Well, our sports department did contact Calabar, and the chairman did say that they are awaiting the outcome of this evening's press conference to decide their next move, and ISA is also waiting on that. The fact is that, as it now stands, as we were told by the vice president of ISA, the boys have met the ISA requirements for them to compete at champs, so it's really between now what Calabar decides to do or not do. As it relates to the guardians of the students. We did make contact with Desjoy Russell's guardian, and she indicated that she's treating the matter as a school matter and not, involving any police, because she has not seen any such evidence. Of course, we know that Christopher Taylor is a 19-year-old, so we didn't make any contact with any guardian where he's concerned.
All right, Karen, thank you very much for joining us, and we'll continue to track these developments.